Hi there, welcome to Programming Wiz. In this tutorial we will adjust the warning box width so that it fits with the whole layout of our calculator. So we have to go in CSS Style Sheet file which we have created by the name of gp.css and use alert as a class name of the warning box to access its properties. Next we are going to change the width to 400. Now we are going to save the amendments we made in Style Sheet. And here is the result of what we just did to the box. It is a little bit to the left, so we have to set it margin value. I have decided to assign the value of margin left to 300. After saving the result, our box is still small width-wise, so we are going to give our width an appropriate value. So here is the final result. Our box is lastly fitted with the whole layout after we changed the box width to 500 pixels.